I think he wants some more. Nanny.
I didn't want all this much, but it's the smallest package they had.
What a spoiled cat.
Want some more? Huh? Want some more? Huh? Yeah?
Lay it there, peasant.
You little piggy. It's enough salt for you, too. This is the way. Hope it don't spoil it, because I'm not going to eat it all.
Oh, I'm going to be eating turkey and gravy all week.
I wish I could buy my drugs down at Giant. A lot better than,
Shit, I wish I could buy my drugs at Giant, too.
better than CVS. They're nicer. Are you done? Are you done? Huh? More? More? You're a little woods. No more.
He's been eating turkey for almost 3 minutes straight. Well, I think he's full.
Can't you get it? Does it flip around too much?
Well, okay, he wasn't full. He wanted you to
Put it on a long.
stack it the way he likes it to be stacked before he eats it. Clearly, he's still hungry.
I think you're done. You know it. I think you're done. Yeah.